fam, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I am painting the kitchen cabinets. I was just going to do it, but I'm like, let me pick up my camera so you guys can see. And I've been in my house for almost 3 years, coming up on 3 years in September, and I never looked in the cabinets. Well, the cabinet above the refrigerator. Okay, so those little ones up there, I don't know, my finger pointing, no, right there. Yes, those cabinets up there. And I just looked inside of it, y'all. And let me see if I can show you. So I'm cleaning, I'm degreasing because I'm about to paint. And I open it up and there is a lot of things in here. Microwave, fish steaming dish. Like, how did I never go in here? And I'm scared to open these because, like, what is in there? Oh my goodness. And there's a fly right there. What do I do, y'all? What do I do? I'm just gonna leave that alone for a minute, but that is so crazy. First of all, I didn't even think these cabinets even opened. I didn't even know they opened. So the fact that I'm like, let me see if they open. Yeah. Not only do they open, they have stuff inside of it. So let me continue. So I guess I'm gonna take you guys on this journey. All right. Now I gotta clean all of these cabinets. So this is the before. All right, this is the before. Here's the bottom. Let me move this bread out the way. All right, so this is the before. I don't know what I'm doing, so pray for me. I think I need good chat therapy. My little safe haven of conversation, where we make space and ease our frustrations. Continuation for so now I am degreasing the cabinets. And I'm using this spray that I got from Home Depot. And it's my first time using it, so we'll see if it comes out. If the grease and things, because I never cleaned my cabinets since I got here. I didn't do a deep clean. I know. I sense that you guys are judging me about it. That's fine. You know, I'm doing it now. All right. I'm using this to clean everything. Heavy duty citrus, degreaser and cleaner, right? My little safe haven of conversation, where we make space and ease our frustrations. Continuation for days and days, and I can just say it, no explanation needed. We just understand what we mean. If only through pictures. I don't know how long the previous owners been here, but in the glow of our screens, it's a party inside. Sometimes you need solutions, and sometimes it's just a vibe. In group chat therapy. I think I need group chat therapy.
dreams and the whys and reasons. I said silence conversation. My girl's been waiting. Any update, they're my salvation. When I wanna break down and crash out, they won't. That's what friendship's about. Failure or success. We're a circle of trust. Better send that text. It's a party inside.
Y'all see that? Oh my gosh. So while I was spraying the cabinet, some of the grease that got on top of that and my hood, and it broke down the paint on that hood. I really don't care because I'm not going to use it. I'm throwing it in the trash. I'm going to get a new hood anyway, so it's fine. I just wanted to show you guys all of the dirt and build up that came off of the bottom cabinets. Ew. If you get grossed out easily, you may not want to look. Close your eyes. But yeah, look how much I already cleaned. My goodness, it definitely needed this. Okay, I took out all the doors and I put the screws in here, like a little cut that I had. So all the doors are on the floor. I skipped some steps. I sprayed it with some primer. I flipped the doors around. And then after the primer dries, I'm going to paint it. This is where we are. I used some of the that's the paint I'm going to use for the top doors. And then we're going to do the bottom. Hey Face Fam, it is day 2. I painted, well, I did a second coat on majority of the cabinets. All I have to do is another second coat on the last one. I was just grooving, y'all. I forgot to pick up my camera. I was just gone. I have no gloves on. Look at my arm. Yes, they had a long sleeve shirt on, and that is what I should do. Wear a long sleeve shirt because no. I don't know when this thing will come off my skin. So I just say one cabinet for you guys because I almost forgot about y'all. All right, but yeah, y'all ready? Let's go. All right, so I'm using my roller. This is the last cabinet, and then I can start on the bottom cabinet. I'm kind of proud of myself because I'm like, I didn't know that I can do it, and I'm doing it, y'all. It's so amazing how your brain works and how if you really put your mind to something, like there's really no stopping you. And like, I know it's just cabinets, but it kind of remind me that I could do anything that I want, anything I put my mind to. Don't be scared of nothing. Who's that? Anyway, y'all, I had a package outside. So, yeah, like you could do whatever you put your mind to. And I also learned that whatever I put my mind to, if it's in the will of God, that it will get done. Like He really has my back. Like there's nothing that I can want to do, that if it's in His will and if it's in His timing, I can do it. So
I think I need group chat therapy. Group chat therapy. Tell you all my secrets, it's safe to keep them. Sharing our dreams and the whys and reasons that since our last conversation, my girl's been waiting.